Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I bring you another amazing moisturizing leave-in conditioner. We all know it's winter season and it can be very drying on our fussy natural hair. That is why I bring you this recipe. This recipe is moisturizing, hydrating, and also protect your hair from the harsh weather condition. So you would like to watch this. This is a simple but easy recipe to ensure your hair is hydrated and moisturized during the winter. As you can see, I measured out 2 tablespoons of shea butter. It can be more or less depending on you. Want your leave-in conditioner to be thick, use more of the shea butter than the flaxseed. I went in with my moringa infused oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Note, you can use as much oil as you want. I am making this for myself. I am using it on myself. So whenever you're making yours, customize it anyhow you want. After that, I went in with my vegetable glycerin. It is optional. You can skip it if you don't have. Next step is to place our bowl into a boiling hot water for our butter to properly melt. Moving on, after our butter has completely melted, we will now introduce our flaxseed into our butter. This is what our flaxseed looks like. I already made it, but if you don't know how I made this and you wish to know, I will be leaving a video. In this same video, I will show you a small clip of how I made it so you can make your own. So I put my flaxseed into the oil. This is what it looks like. Note, the flaxseed is, if you can see, the flaxseed is much more than the oil. But if you're making yours and you need it to be thick, you can as well use a smaller quantity of the flaxseed, because the flaxseed is going to overpower the oil and it will not be so thick. This is how I made my flaxseed. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is just put your flaxseed on fire, add your water, allow it to boil for 10 minutes, then sift it. This is what it will look like. After stirring for a while, this is what our mixture looks like. As you can see, it is not thick. That is because the flaxseed was much. If you want yours to be thicker, you can use more of the shea butter. But I needed this mixture to moisturize my hair and also use it to take down my cornrow, which I'll be doing maybe tomorrow. I don't know yet. Please, if you're making this leave-in conditioner and you're not ready to use it immediately, please put preservative inside. As you can see, I added my preservative. If you're not ready to use it immediately, if you're planning on keeping it for a longer period, or you don't have a refrigerator, because you can as well store it inside a refrigerator if you're not using it immediately. But if you do not have a refrigerator and you want to make this to keep, please add a preservative so it won't go bad. This conditioner can be used as a detangling mask, as a pre-poo, or as a leave-in conditioner. You can use it and not wash it out. This conditioner will not only moisturize and hydrate your hair, it will also condition your hair, which is what you need for this winter season. We all know it is a dry season, so you need this product to always make sure your hair is moisturized. You can also substitute the flaxseed with okra gel. Having said that, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more of my DIY recipes, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, and leave a comment for more DIYs, because I'll be bringing more DIY recipes to you guys.